Hey guys, it's Madeline. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Empties O'Clock. I've been accumulating these for way too long, so let's jump into it. First thing up is the Foamy Sponge. This came with little soap bars inside. I've used it far beyond the existence of those little soap bars because I love this sponge so much. I keep it in my bathtub. I have a little hook on the wall that I hang it onto, and this gives the best scrub. I just squirt some body lotion onto the kind of welled part here, and it feels so good. I'll use this all over my body, and I find it really washes me when I'm taking a bath. I'll even use this side on my face. I love this. I will purchase it again. It has held up great. I definitely want to use it a little bit more, but I don't know how long you should keep a sponge for, but I would highly recommend this because it is great when it has soap inside, and it's still great after. So next, we have some face masks. This is the Seventh Heaven Superfood. This calming turmeric one was good. It had a very interesting smell. It almost smelled like a cake. So that's good because I don't love like turmeric teas that much. Overall, Seventh Heaven is really great. Left my skin feeling very plump. I believe this one was quite thick actually, and not that wet. Usually they're like sopping wet. So I'm hoping to see these get a little bit more moist in the future. But I love how it's biodegradable, and Seventh Heaven in general, I really like their sheet masks. So this shampoo is the L'Oreal Everstrong Sulfate-Free Thickening Shampoo. I don't really like sulfate-free shampoos that much. I don't know, I feel like they all have to be nowadays or else people freak out, but I have oily hair, so like strip it beyond belief. That is okay with me. This one worked okay. The tube I didn't really like. I felt like I had to squeeze it a lot for the product to come out. It smelled nice, rosemary leaf. I won't be purchasing it again. I also found it to be like really thick and like not that easy to lather up with. So I don't know, so-so. But if you are looking for vegan sulfate-free shampoo, this is out there and it worked. Okay, so this hand soap, the Bubble Tea Hand Wash, Moroccan Mint, it was good, but again, it didn't foam up that well. By the way, that sulfate-free shampoo foamed up fine. I don't know, I think this one is probably sulfate-free as well. It was good, I just didn't love it. So I won't be repurchasing this, but if you do like the Bubble Tea brand, then that one worked fine. Chlorine Dry Shampoo, a classic, very good, very gentle on the scalp. I'll always, you know, recommend this and have it on hand. It's a goodie. Now, ooh, these cotton rounds. I'm putting the bag in here because these were great. They were so thick. I feel like they have gotten thicker. The Fluffs cotton pads with glycerin. I didn't know that. Anyways, they're really good. I do use my disposable ones all the time, but if you do want a really thick cotton round, these actually work great for taking off nail polish. So I find they're really, really durable. So that was great. Ooh, more dry shampoos. I always use these up. We have this collab Paradise one, outstanding. It's like the chlorine one, but a little bit fancier smelling, and ton in a container. I find this is better than Batiste for me because it's more of like a fine powder in your hair. Batiste feels a little bit gritty to me. This Volume Extreme. So I'll essentially spray the chlorine or that Paradise one throughout my whole head, all the way down to the neck, behind the ears, etc. And then the Extreme one will literally just go like where I need it, like right in here to give me that grit and volume. It will lift my hair off my head, this Volume Extreme, and you can essentially reactivate it during the day just by massaging a bit. So I use 2 dry shampoos when I need it, and those are killer. They are so good. This was really nice, the Dove Body Wash Mousse with argan oil, and I felt like it lasted forever. Really nice as a shaving lotion, great for the whole family. Yeah, rinsed off easily. I feel like I'm just reading the back, but good for guys and girls. This was really fun. I would buy it again, for sure. I got this as a free sample, but I would totally recommend it. It left my skin feeling very fresh, and it does the work for you since it is like pre-lathered. Ooh, a not so favorite. Pharmacy Green Clean Melt Away Cleansing Balm. I don't like Pharmacy. I don't know, guys. I don't like their products. I hate how this smells. I don't like the jar format. You can see I've dropped it a few times. I don't like the texture. It worked okay. I don't even want to smell it. It's disgusting. So no, this is not for me. I'm a big fan of like Shiseido, Japanese cleansing oils, the Shuamura one, I just bought a new one, or the DHC cleansing oil. Those are my favorite. I'm just not gonna mess around with anything else. This IGK Volume Conditioner, I believe this one is supposed to reduce frizz as well. This was nice, a very lightweight conditioner. I didn't like how it smelled, but it lasted a really long time and worked well, so would recommend. This is the Lipicar Cleansing Gel. Really great. I purchased this at Shoppers. I actually just bought another one to gift. It's just a gentle body wash that respects your body's pH, cleanses without stripping. 10 out of 10. If you are experiencing any sensitivity, or if you're undergoing treatment for a disease like cancer treatment that might make your skin more sensitive, that is dermatologist recommended. Zaps It acne treatment. This is expired, so I'm just going to toss it. But this worked well. It's maximum strength benzoyl peroxide. I think this is mostly available in the US, but really good to have on hand for those like super stubborn blemishes, like this thing that I'm so over. Okay, I'm putting this little box in here because my Micellar cleansing pads are really nice. I've actually grown to like these for applying toners. I find they hold a lot of water and then they kind of distribute the toner or liquid over your skin kind of well. So yeah, this has been really fun to use. Like they're good for both taking off dirt or makeup and also putting on toner. I've started to like it for both. Of course they're pretty big, and for some things I will still use my little cotton ones, but these are great. So if you have Shoppers points or want to try something new, I'd recommend those. Ooh, another dislike. This Caviar Dry Shampoo from Alterna. I understand the idea. First of all, very expensive. Second of all, this is the worst packaging on earth. I found the pump kind of got clogged or stuck. You can't tell if the powder's actually going into your hair because you're just pumping and you can't see if it's like at the back of your hair. I ended up emptying this out into like a little shaker bottle that you'd use for herbs, and we'll see, but no. That is a no. I prefer the aerosols. You can, recycle aerosols, whatever. I don't use it that often, so I don't feel bad. I don't like that one. The Elise Age Control Eye Cream. This was from a partnership I did with Fashion Magazine, where I did a bunch of reviews of products for their awards, and this was one of my favorite eye creams ever. Really good for dry skin. Although the jar packaging is not hygienic, this is a killer eye cream. It is pricey, but it's killer. Another dislike, Norma Derm Gel Cleanser from Vichy. I just find these cleansers to be a little too much. If you do have really oily skin, you could use this all over your body, but whenever I used it on my face, it stung my eyes, and it's on your skin for so short of a time. A cleanser, it's not going to clear your acne, so I'd just rather use a more gentle cleanser and then use a treatment product overnight. My IGK Low Key Cleansing Walnut Scrub. Love it. Really great product, nice thick chunks, and it worked great for my sensitive scalp and my combo skin. Very, very good. It also has this lovely minty feeling. This Gliss Hair Repair Shampoo, I don't like Gliss. I think it's kind of really cheap feeling. This is working okay. I currently actually have it in a pump bottle in my shower. I wouldn't get this again. I'm not really, nah. Oh, love Fruits and Passion. I love Fruits and Passion. I love Cucina. I love everything about them. These are so much fun. They're diffuser refillers, and this is the Forest one. This smells like a really nice soap, very strong. They do give off a pretty good scent throw and really fun. I love their fragrances. I have not gotten tired of them. I do get a little bit tired of my Bath & Body Works ones. Cake the Cakewalk. Best foot cream ever, and it just the best. I will buy this again. I love it. Made in Canada. Absolutely outstanding. Has a bit of a minty feel. It's so good. Fab Me, the mother of all hair treatments. This was good. It started to have a very weird smell, but it leaves your hair feeling so silky. It helps like your hair dry quicker, and it's just beautiful. So 10 out of 10. This is Pixi Glow Tonic to Go. Love these pads. I use them on my face, on my body. They are 5% glycolic with aloe vera and ginseng. So easy. It's just like a very quick treatment. I probably use these 2 to 3 times a week, and I have been using Pixi Glycolic Toner in between my retinol treatments. So usually like 2 days after my retinol, I'll use this, and I use my retinol every 3rd day. So these are a total keeper. Ooh, Marcel oil-free eye makeup remover pads. Best thing since sliced bread. These are #1 in Canada for a reason and recommended by dermatologists. Get these, they're the best for those days where you have lots of eye makeup on. Nothing compares. Sebman, great stuff. Joseph's favorite sculptor. This works great. It has very fun packaging. The little jar is inside. I repurchase it when he finds something he likes. There's no stopping. That's why we work together well, because I like to try everything under the sun. He is content with one thing. So there you go. Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Eye Cream. This was great. It did expire, I believe, so I ended up just like squirting the rest out and put it on my legs. But this is a very good eye cream if you want to dabble into retinol. If you use this over time, it should help the appearance of your under eyes and reduce signs of aging, wrinkling, etc. So I'm actually not using eye creams as much now because I have very sensitive eye areas and had this weird reaction on my lid, so not using this right now, but it is a good option at the drugstore. I'm so sad that my Loxitan Nourishing Cuticle Oil went so rancid. This is a great product, but I just like don't have the time every day to just like wipe this on my nails. So anyways, it went bad. Kind of disappointed. I find their stuff doesn't always have the best shelf life, but it's good if you use it very fast. Ooh, we're getting into the makeup. I have so many mascaras because I was hoarding them, and that is very bad. So let's go quickly. Stila XXX, really fun, great results, and fun brush. It just kind of bangs around on your eye a bit. It's just a little bit too big. This is the Quo All-in-One Brown Mascara. Ooh, made in Italy, how fun. Quo is okay, I just don't really like their makeup that much, so probably not, but brown mascaras are good. Nyx Worth the Hype. Yes, they named it right. This is totally worth the hype. Fantastic mascara. Would buy again. It's like the L'Oreal Voluminous, but better, so I really, really like that one. Marc Jacobs. Hell no, I don't like this. It sucks. Don't buy that. And Dior Show, good, but overpriced. Just buy the NYX. Elise Wattier. Oh, this is the night cream mask that goes with that eye cream. This had too much fragrance, so no. This is the Physicians Formula Eye Primer. It just looks like really gross, but it worked well. It's not even done. The packaging is just nasty. So, yes, but repackage it. It's gross. Benefits Gimme Brow. I used to hate this stuff, and then I learned how to use it. I just need to get kind of like a clump on the end and like use it to kind of move it through my eyebrows, and it is so good. This is my at-work desk savior. Like if I just need a little bit of something in my eyebrows, I use this. I have the full size. Obsessed. It's L'Oreal Expert Under Eye Roller. Really great. This is very expired for sure. This is fun. A good gift for guys. It's like before a big meeting, you use your little eye roller to pep up the eyes. Has some caffeine in there. Really nice. This little pencil, it's my Kiko eyeliner. Oh, I loved it to bits. Fantastic. It's just number 3, this beautiful dark brown. I love Kiko. I love this eyeliner. Please travel. Let me have it again. Okay, Tom Ford Badass Mascara was so bad in my opinion. I don't know, I just couldn't get it to work. So clumpy, so gross. No, maybe it was just my sample that was bad, but that was a big fat no. We have a little Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. Fantastic serum, nothing compares, it's just wonderful. I have the full size. Charlotte Tilbury, another brown pencil I used literally to the very end. This is outstanding. It does not budge. I use it as an eyeliner and like I kind of rim my eyes in it. It's the most beautiful thing on earth. I should definitely buy another. But I did buy the kind of ready tone. I like it, but that one is much better. This is Avens Eye Cream. Really great. It is so simple. If you do need a little bit of something around your eyes, this is good. It's made for sensitive skin, so would recommend. It's like a no frills eye cream. This is the Nude by Nature Concealer. I hate Nude by Nature. Everything. I don't like, so I don't like this either. It sucks. End of story. I have no idea where that brand came from. I've tried to like it, but I hate it. Okay, this Bad Boar thing is the last little nugget I'm going to talk about. Oh my word. I got this as a free sample from a spa. and they are little glass ampules that you have this little thing that you use to crack it. Guys, I sliced my finger trying to crack it once. There was glass everywhere. Oh my god. I don't know how this is even legal. No, is it that hard to use a squeeze tube? So, hell no. That's everything, you guys. I am a little bit opinionated with my empties, but that's everything I've used. A lot of great faves and a lot of great no's. So let me know what you think. If you have any faves from what I showed you, drop it in a comment. I'd love to chat. If you enjoyed my video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!